Okay. Couple things. I got this newer, variable ND filter. Got a little 4-pack. I'm testing it out right now. I'm also headed to Austin because there's a vehicle that I am going to look at and possibly purchase. It's been a while since I recorded, updated, but that's kind of where we're at in life. That's where we're at, and yeah, so I'll take you for the ride. But yeah, I'm trying this new filter. I don't know how I feel about it. Probably do a review. So right now it's on 3, and it's hard because everything is so small, but you can control how much light comes in. From what I'm seeing, a 3 makes it look too bright, but if it's shooting towards my face, 3 looks good. Now if I do 4, it's too dark on my face, and it looks pretty okay here. Blue skies, that's kind of what it looks like in real life. So I took off the wide angle lens. I'm gonna get let me see if I can do halfway. Yeah, and it's hard because this gimbal thing. So I guess I'll just do halfway and see how it goes, but take you guys for the ride. Yeah, I really don't know how I feel about this lens. I think if you're in an environment where, let me change it. I think if you're in an environment where you're like constantly in one lighting, then it's ideal. But yeah, this is a pain having to constantly change it back and forth. I'm 28 minutes out, 17 miles away. Currently, I have 209 miles of range. So I'll be left with like 180 something, almost 190 miles of range. I charged it to 100%. That gave me 260 miles of range. It's not bad. I've ran electric for 2 years or a year and a half. I had the Ioniq 5 Hyundai. That one, stupid quick to charge. It was a smaller battery, but it didn't last long at all. Then I started my lawn care business. I got this truck. Takes forever to charge. The range, I drive a lot. So it'll last me, one charge could last me a day, depending on my routes, how far Uber takes me. I save some money compared to gas. Saving is saving at the end of the day, but the electricity bill definitely went up, and I have solar. It was a good experience, but I'm actually kind of excited to go back to gas. I know recently gas prices have went up, but regardless, I am still excited. There's so many things that I would love to talk about, but my mind is all over the place and it's hard for me to kind of like focus and figure out what to talk about. But electric, definitely a great experience. I won't say it's not for me, because if money wasn't an issue, I'd definitely get one, as well as a gas vehicle. But this vehicle is not sustainable financially. I am paying way too much for this, and it's no one's fault at the end of the day but myself. I see the hold on, I gotta change this filter so you can get a better view. Oh, well, anyways, all the way down there you can kind of see a tall building, the Austin skyline. This is 35, a lot of traffic, heavy construction. We're almost there. We are almost there. I don't know if that's Austin skyline, but man, these buildings are massive. Looks amazing. Okay, I put the wide angle lens back on. This is the auto setting. As you can see, literally it looks dark. At least from the screen that I'm looking at. It looks ridiculously dark. But we are 5 minutes out. I'm nervous. Probably won't get a clip using this, but we'll see. Who knows? Maybe I might get it today, but the goal is to test drive it and make sure it's not like a junk car. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just got done test driving the vehicle. I took it to O'Reilly's. So far, everything checks out. I'm just very nervous. It's a 30-year-old vehicle. Even though it's one owner, I'm just traumatized by used car lots. So I think I might get it. He's not willing to budge on price. Kind of just have a small window. I'm headed back to San Antonio. Today's legs. On another note, your boy got some fucking Waffle House. Oh, let me turn this down. So there's Waffle House. We are in Kyle, Texas. Let me. So I switched back to that ND filter. I think I'm gonna just rock with it because the little clips I was trying to film with the auto setting and then the wide angle, it was just too dark, versus this one I can see a little bit better. But once I upload this into like my phone, I'll be able to see, like, I guess the color and whatnot. But we got Waffle House. That's gonna be my post-workout meal. I did bring a meal just in case. We are, let me see, we're about an hour out, but the gym is on the way home, which is good. I'm just gonna take the exit, go right there, train, post-workout with some delicious food, and then do a little bit more research. I don't know what to do. but I got to do something like quick. So stay tuned. The vehicle, I didn't pop the hood to check the motor. The vehicle had cosmetic stuff. Once I'm done with everything, I'm gonna go check the Carfax again, make sure everything aligns. Probably put it into AI and have it check and hope for the best. I don't know if this filter is gonna be ideal for indoors because it's sunglasses for a camera. Yeah, it's mostly like recording outdoors where I have issues, or I don't know. My mind is all over that place. I'm trying to just talk, yap, but I'm thinking about the vehicle, the small window of time that I have, and I'm just not present, I guess. All right, leg day. Let's get it going.